Happy to meet you all. My Dr. Suganti Jai Singh, the professional trainer for many programs, and I'm recently certified as an Enter trainer in the program Enter Trainer Certification for Beginner Level. I was just attracted towards this caption called Don't Just Be a Trainer, Become an Enter Trainer. This program is conducted by this man called Hariharan Iyer, the Enter trainer. He has many talents. He is an author, corporate trainer, Reiki grandmaster, professional anchor, and a motivational speaker. He is actually the founder and chief mission officer of Hariharan's School of Success Education, HSSE. He is a widely appreciated and traveled speaker and trainer, and uniquely he has a registered trademark called as the Enter Trainer and certifies many trainers as Enter Trainers across India. He is an internationally certified trainer from USA, and he is also an author of 6 books so far and has published over 60 articles, of which the Rahul Dravid model of management has received more than 50,000 views. And I'm really happy that I had given a chance to attend this program, and I thought to share with you. The content of the program starts this way, that why we need to have this certification as a trainer, as an individual person, why we should have a thought towards becoming a Enter trainer, and what are all the principles as adults learn from us. When we deal with adults, what do they expect from us? In the sense, what guidance they expect, in what way we are supposed to guide them. And next section goes for know yourself, and this has the main objective that what is your passion personally, why we have to start this, and what will be your mission and vision. And here I have learned so many evolution models and how to create your content and how to reveal it passionately. And next section goes for know your audience, because this is a very crucial time that we should learn others, you should know others. So how efficient and effectiveness a trainer should have to know the audience, in the sense you should learn about the different types of participants and how to handle difficult participants, how to deal with different types of people. And this particular module, Know Yourself, had really given me new aspects and new ideas to deal with people. And the next one is about how to know about the tools and how to create your facilitation. In the sense, how to deal with varied personalities and what are all the tools you can learn, how to engage people, what are all the tactics to engage people with wonderful tools, with creative facilitation, like music or drama or movie making. And Hariharan has given wide good ideas about all these in detail. And regarding the certification, I just wanted to share this. This is what the certification of completion they have given me, and I'm very happy and proud to say that I'm now an Enter trainer. Thank you, Hariji, for this. And the motive behind this video is I have gained a lot, and I want all others to have a knowledge in this, in the sense who can attend these programs. It is not restricted that only trainers, otherwise teachers, otherwise coaches can attend. Even any person who are in higher authorities or marketing executives or sales representatives, even parents, you are now in this pandemic situation as trainers for your kids. So really, you should transform yourself into an Enter trainer, in the sense what are all the things you can learn. And now you have a wonderful opportunity that coming July 7th and July 11th and on July 12th, we have the program through online webinar, and I have the display here. You can attend this program and you can register, you can call me. I think I have listed my number, I have given my number here. And for July 11th, you have your beginner level program, and July 12th, Sunday, you have your practitioner level. And for other details, you please contact me and anybody can be an entertainer if you really have the passion to enlarge and equip your profile. Please do contact. And also, as a request, if you want to have more videos like this, kindly subscribe this channel. Thank you.